Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. Hope you're having a great start of this weekend so far, and welcome to this middle of the day market update. It's the weekend. There's not much going on, even though there are definitely some big moves going on. I mean, you can see Peanut, Banana, Ben are moving quite a bit, which it's always great in crypto I mean, you want to talk seriously, and then you have to say that Peanut and Banana are rallying. But no, wanted to do a full update. I have some updates on the Bybit hack. It seems to be that Bybit is buying Ethereum right now. So that's interesting, and just in general, there are some updates that I wanted to talk about. So that's what we'll do. Let me quickly change the lighting right here, and then we'll also just do some updates on Bitcoin. I wanted to zoom out on Bitcoin a bit. Talking about what the possibilities are in the next couple of months. We're going to be talking a little bit about next week, what to expect there, and just in general the altcoin market at this point of time and the fundamentals. So quite a lot to talk about, and just to kind of keep you updated throughout the weekend, and that's for next week. You're also prepared of what's coming. So let's get right into that. So the first thing that I wanted to talk about is the fundamentals overall. I think the fundamentals right now for the capital markets, but also for crypto specifically, look quite good. The dollar strength index is still at support, but has turned bearish, which is good for the crypto markets. And then I've said this morning as well, but the stock markets have actually dropped down quite a bit, as you can see right here. But I still think they are in an uptrend. Well, technically they are. And then outside of that, I don't really see any reason why that uptrend would stop, especially for American companies right now. So I expect this to retrace, and the fact that Bitcoin and the markets have held up relatively well while the stock markets have dropped is only better for when the markets actually bounce. And then outside of that, I mean, total 3, so altcoins and USDT dominance, not much has changed. I mean, they're still in these very tight ranges that they have been in since the 4th of February, which I'll keep you updated on, but for now, not much to update on that. However, Bybit, there's a couple of interesting things. First of all, what we saw, I think an hour ago, is that the hackers actually started to move funds, as you can see right here. So they're trying to sell this Ethereum. I know Bybit actually got back like 30 million in ETH from Mantle. The exploiters could not do anything with it, could not withdraw it from Mantle. Mantle is the layer 2 exchange or layer 2 network associated with Bybit. So they got that back, and I just received intel that Bybit seems to be buying Ethereum. They're buying OTC though, all right. So they're buying over the counter from big parties such as Galaxy, but they are buying back Ethereum, which is a great thing, and that's a sign that they are actually liquid enough to fill up the gap that was made with the hack yesterday. So I already made a video on that earlier this morning. I think Bybit is going to be okay, but personally, I still have my money off the exchange. So that's what's going on right now. Now that's causing a little bit of bullish momentum for Ethereum, as you can see. Personally, I would still stay away from Ethereum for now. Maybe if we are able to break this range right here at 2800, then I might buy. But for now, I will stay away. I mean, they still have over $1 billion in Ethereum, the hackers, which will be hard to get rid of. But still, that still makes it very uncertain to trade Ethereum, even though we know Bybit right now is buying Ethereum OTC. And we actually received some intel, or we received some news earlier today, which is also very interesting for you, that it seems like Ethereum is kind of running out, all right? So that exchanges and OTC partners do not have that much Ethereum left over to sell. And the price of Ethereum is supply and demand, and if the supply is running out, the price should go up, if demand stays the same at least. So yeah, in general, Ethereum I actually do think is very interesting here. So keep an eye on that. Now, what I wanted to do as well is zoom out for Bitcoin. Basically right now, I mean, obviously it's the weekend, volume is low, so there's not much going on. Just wanted to quickly show you. I mean, if you take a look at Bitcoin right now, I'll leave it up to you, but I mean, personally, if you want to determine whether this is still bullish or bearish, this structure, which we have made since October 2023, I think at least Bitcoin at this point of time is still very clearly bullish. All right, we still have this major support right here around 92 and 88,000. Now it's definitely possible that we'll still spike down lower, maybe into 85, something like that. But ultimately, the structure for Bitcoin, just to give you some hope, is still very bullish. right? And if the fundamentals, which we talked about at the start, also develop nicely, I still think Bitcoin can make new all-time highs. And honestly, look, the fundamentals are quite uncertain and quite volatile, but usually when you see a coin that has made all-time highs and consolidates around those all-time highs, usually it continues. So overall, I still think, look, the market as a whole is very difficult to say because there's so many altcoins. I don't think all altcoins will rally anymore. But Bitcoin on its own, short term, quite volatile right here. So be aware of that and be careful for that. Long term, I still think at least Bitcoin is going for higher highs. Now, quick update on XRP here, even though XRP is not moving much, just moving with the markets. I mean, if you watch my video this morning, basically the same thing is going on. I mean, we're consolidating here between 2.5 and 2.7, and we will probably continue to stabilize in that area. And now onto the markets. Now, like I said, there's a couple of coins that are actually pulling a lot of volume. So then we're talking about Banana or BAN, B-A-N, Peanut. Look, if you really want to trade, those coins have a lot of volume, are very volatile, so you can actually trade them. According to my strategy, it's too risky. So personally, I am not trading those. Now, there are a couple of other coins that I think are quite interesting. First of all, Ethereum, of course. Second of all, I think SUI is still very interesting to trade. I mean, it's in this range right here between 3.6 and $3, but so far it's been ranging and it's been respecting the bottom and the top of these ranges very well. So definitely an amazing coin to trade, at least. To accumulate, I'm not certain. I personally would only buy SUI if we're actually able to break back above 3.65. What more do we have? Sonic is still very strong, definitely want to keep your eyes on. Litecoin is still very strong, definitely want to keep your eyes on. And then we have some other kind of, lesser known cryptocurrencies, such as Maker, that has been very bullish. But this is a difficult coin to trade, and just in general, the price action has been quite strange. Pi is actually doing quite well. I'm personally looking to short this soon. And then last but certainly not least, what did I want to say? There was another coin that I wanted to look at. Oh yeah, Rune. Rune is also showing quite a lot of strength here. Excuse me, but kind of the same thing. I mean, this is showing a lot of strength, but it's still in the range. All right, so wait for 1.5, 1.55 to break, and then Rune, even with everything that happened over the last 2 months, which was a lot of not good things, is still a trade opportunity. So keep your eyes on that, but that's what I think you need to know right now regarding Ethereum, regarding the markets, regarding Bybit, Bitcoin, XRP, and altcoins. If you do have any questions, make sure to join the Telegram or the Discord for free. Hopefully I'll see you in there. But for now, thank you for watching. Have a great rest of your weekend, and bye.